Hello, my name is Ryan Kelly, and I'm a physical education teacher here at Lee Summit North High School. The classes I will be teaching this school year are Fitness for Life, Foundations of Fitness, Individual Physical Education, Health, and our online Concepts and PE course. Some background information on myself is that I'm starting my 17th year of teaching here at LSN. I graduated with my bachelor's from the University of Central Missouri in 2004 and completed my master's from UCM in Business and Sports Administration a few years later. In 2016, I became the lead teacher for our physical education department here. Inside the classroom, I've been married for 23 years. I have a daughter who's now finishing up her final year of law school in the DC area. I enjoy doing a variety of different fitness activities from running, lifting weights, playing sports, and paddleboarding. I'm also a head boys and girls soccer coach here at LSN. Our Lee Summit North Physical Education Department philosophy statement says that we strive to inspire young adults to be physically active, pursue activities that they will enjoy, and improve their overall health and well-being for life. In my classes, I want to help facilitate that enjoyment of movement and exercise so my students are confident and comfortable in being active as they move outside of my classroom. You can find links to the syllabus for each of my classrooms on the Lee Summit North website. The syllabus will give you important information for each class, so please make sure you take a few minutes to read through the syllabus for the course you are enrolled in. Once we start our classes, we will use Schoology for many of our virtual workouts and assignments, so be sure you know how to access our class in Schoology. For any of the activity classes that you are enrolled in, any equipment you might need will depend on whether we are virtual or in person. If at any point in time we are virtual this year, we will ask you to use a fitness tracker to record some of your workouts, whether it's an app that you can download onto your phone or if you have your own Apple Watch or Fitbit, that will work. Whenever we are in person here at school, you'll want to make sure you are dressed appropriately to be active. Make sure you have appropriate clothing and shoes so you can be running around and moving and having a good time. If you need to get into contact with me, the best way is through email. You can email me at ryan.kelly@lsr7.net, or you can call and leave a voice message at 816-986-1499, extension 7938. I'm excited for the new school year to start. I'm looking forward to working with your child to help them grow and gain an appreciation for leading an active lifestyle.